Hi, I'm Joel Sarkar Ganapudi. You are 14 CS 249. This is my web technology lab experiment number 1. Here they have instructed the other question to create a document that conforms to HTML5 standards and has the following elements. It should contain the element like doc type. It says that it's a document type file, and it should have an HTML tag and a meta tag, title of the body. It should give the title for our web page, and here I should have a body tag. The body tag says that it is used to write all the coding here. It will be used for on displaying site, and head tag is used to giving the style or the you can give the styles, how to design our web page. All the designing part we can give it here, and division is used to create a division in our web page, and P is used for a paragraph, and span is used in the tables to span any 2 rows or 2 columns and n number of rows and number of columns. Headings are 6 types, H1 to H6. H1 will be the highest heading of the main. It looks like the main heading with the more length and the more boldness, and H2 from H2 and H6 the size will be decreasing, the boldness also will be decreasing. And I have here the image tag. Image tag is used to attach any image to our web page, and I have an anchor tag here. Anchor tag is used to link any other web page or any other website to a particular we can say it audio or a video or text or an image. I have a table here. It used to display the table. I have a list. We can have 2 types of list, ordered as well as unordered list. Ordered list will be, we can display bullet points or like square or disk something else, and we can use the HTML comments also. So this is the question they have given us, and this is some of the instructions. And at last our web page should be looking like this. We should have one main heading and 3 subheadings. On the first subheading we need to have some text and one external link, internal link, email address and phone link. And this is my clickable image. Here clickable image in sense, if you click this image, they redirects to another web page. And we have subheading 2, and subheading 2 we have some of the text here, and we have definitions here, and we also have a nested lists. And under subheading 3 we have some text and a table. So for creating this I have used an Advanced 8.02. Here is my doc type HTML tag, and here I opened HTML and I have given as lang equal to, it means it says that language is equal to English, and I have opened my head tag here and close it. Inside my I have given as title. It shows my title, like if I open this here, the title will be shown here like first. So this is the use of the title we are given, and the meta tag is used here. And the body tag I have opened here and closed it at the down. Under body tag I have given as BG equal to, means background color is equal to gray. To design my background I have given as it gray. So this is my first subheading. First heading, it will be like my website main heading, and under this I have given as about me. You can see it here, the difference from H1 to from H1 and H2 you can see it very clearly. The size and the boldness, it will be decreased. And this is my tag called PRE. Instead of P I have used PRE because PRE is, we can customize the text in whatever way we can give. That means we can break up the line at whatever point we can break it up. And these are my external link, and this is my internal link, and this mail, phone number, clickable image. For this I have given as used anchor tag and H reference. Anchor tag is used to link a particular word or a particular sentence or image or something else to another web page. For this I have used href. Reference is used to link another web page or the website, any other website you want to link up with you. So I have here Google. This is my external link, and target underscore blank I have given here target underscore blank because I want to open it in a new blank tab. So I have given as here, I have given as way to Google. This is my internal link. This is second.html. It is, I have given the same thing, same project. This will be my second HTML. I have used div. Div is for division in the tag, and I have used p paragraph for each line to make it as more clearly. So this is my internal link, and this is my mail. I have used mail to joelsarkar@carn.edu, and this will be my telephone 9600. I have used tel, and here is my clickable image. For clickable image I have used image as our source code. This is image source, and I have given the image which I want to tag it here and closed it. I also use the font here, that is face Arial. Face means the style we want to give, and this is the size is 3 pixel, so you can see it clearly. And this is my way to Google. It is opening in another web page, and this is my second web page. This is my local web page. See, you can see it clearly, and the Google is still loading, and you can see this is my Google web page external link. And this is my MailMe. MailMe, I don't have any other mail link to it, so it is showing some of the mails where I can send mails. And this is my number. I don't have any external protocol. This is my external protocol. I don't have anything to do it. And this is my clickable image. If I click this image, it redirects to www.carney.edu. so because I have given anchor tag to www.carney.edu. and this will be my second subheading. Under this subheading, I have paragraph here. I have a paragraph here, and I have a data list, definition list. This is my H2, my interest. This is my second subheading here. I have used here P. See it here, I have given 3 lines here, but it is here it's displaying only a single line, because I have used P. Here I have given 3 lines, but it is displaying as it is because I have used PRE. Now you can see the difference between P and PRE very clearly. And Java and C++ are my definitions. For this I have used DL. DL is used for definition list, and DT is for definition title. I have given is Java, and DD is for definition description. So I have given or details, we can say it. I have given some of the description about Java, and I closed it off. And for the next thing, I have given data title as C++ and DD data description as something for C++. So this is how my definition looks like. This is my definition looks like in Java and C++. For this is my nested loop, nested list. I have given this unordered list, is ordered list, and this is another unordered list, ordered list, unordered list, ordered list. So for this I have given as UL is used for ordered list, LI is for list of the list in the elements, and OL is ordered list. I have given some of 3 lists here, 1 2 lists, and this is another ordered list. Under OL I have given some ordered list, and under UL I have given OL. This is my another ordered list, and LI is to display what are the list you want to display another under order list. Here I have given as type square because default will be like bullet points, but I want to show it in a square. You can see it here. By default we are getting a bullet points, and now it is showing into square. And I have given as type A because we can give type a capital A or small a, or I for Roman numbers, and 1 or 2 or 1 for numbers you want to give. Default will be getting numbers, but I want to change it to ABC, so I have given as type A. This will be my list on a nested list, and this will be my third subheading. I have used only H2 because all the subheading must be the same size. So it is about US I have given. Here is the P and as well as the font here, and I have used here same P and font, and I have given, I want to put it on 3 different ways. You can see it clearly. This is vision, and this is the mission, and this is about USI. So I want to give it in 3 different paragraphs. So for first 2 I have given as P and div. Both div and P are the same thing, nothing much difference in those 2 things. After that I want to display this whole table. For this I have used the table tag, and the border size will be 3 pixel, and alignment I have given to center, and the width will be 100%. It should it should be comes to whole thing, not only just some part. I want to give it the whole thing, so I have given as 100%, or you can give it in a pixel also, that's your wish. And I used TR will be for table row. I totally have 1 2 3 4 5 6 rows, so I have given 6 rows. This is my first one, and this will be my second row, and this will be my third row, and this is my fourth row, and this will be my fifth row. Yeah, total 5 rows I have given here. So on the first row I have given as 3 rows, and I have given as row span 3. It totally combines all the 4 rows, merges all the 4 rows and give it into a single row. You can see it here. It come 1 2 3 4. It totally compresses all the 4 rows and give it into a single row for getting this. And the next one is I have here in the second row I have combined or the merge two rows and two columns. See here, one, two, three rows and two columns I compressed to make this one. And in the next one I have given this one, this will have only one row and one row because other columns are already filled with these two. So I have just only two things remaining, so I have used only one td. td tag is table data, we can say it. We can also have th is used for saying the table heading. When we give th, the size or the boldness will be increased, and this will make fifth row. And here I have given as call span equal to 2 because I want to merge these two rows here, these two rows, then make it one, these two rows make it as 2 1. So I have given a call span here. Now I have only one thing, I have call span I merged all the four columns to make it into a single column. So this is my whole coding for making the question they have given me. So I have run this code here to verify any mistakes are there. The whole thing will be like use css inside, use css inside. And one more thing is we can't use ordered list not as child of here. That's only the small mistake I have, and remaining all is use css instead. So thank you so much.